Welcome. Today we're drawing two dinosaur eggs hatching, basically based on the letters P and S to make them very simple. And I hope after you try them, you customize and color them to suit your needs. So you're starting with like the half shell, so like a smile or a watermelon slice. And for this simpler one, I'm just doing 3 little zigzags, right, to come up. So it's like you put a W in the middle, and let's decorate the shell with just some large polka dots and having them go off the edge for interest. And now, like in the middle of that shell, like just to the left of the middle, so the head falls in the middle, I'm making the line down for the letter P, and then I'm rounding that part forward, making it quite large, right? And then we'll just put a little curve going down into the shell and another curve next to it to show the lighter underbody. And I didn't have him sticking way up out of the shell. We're also going to keep the eyes really simple, a circle with a smaller circle inside and a little smile going up to the eye. And I gave this one a little underbite. So the teeth are poking up. And then to keep this line simple, act like you're making like the number 2 kind of angled in there, or half a heart, to give you that curve. And then we'll run a line next to it, but getting a little bigger. And we'll just add that little triangle at the end to show it's a little dragon. And on this one, I've decided to do the little spikes down the back, so just some little triangles down the back. And we'll add some to the tail as well, a little smaller on the tail, getting a little bigger as they come up to him. And again, showing a little bit of that underside where you'll be able to color that different. Put a few little spots on him. Or you could do stripes. Again, I try to make these really simple so then you can add what you want. And lastly, I'll finish this one off by just adding a few lines as though it's sitting in a little nest. This next one is a little bit harder, but I'm going to try to break it down easy again. So you're making that half shell, the curve or the U, and this one I made the zigzag a little more complicated, some bigger, some smaller, just for interest. And then from the middle, I'm going up and I'm starting the curve. I want you to think of like the curve of an S, and then it does a little bit up to be the back. And I'm doing this one so the head is up a little bit, poking up a little bit, and I kind of made it, looks like the end of a golf club or something to me. And then going down into the shell, put the eye way back on the head, and it's almost like you're making a crescent moon because I'm doing that letter C like out of it to have the little highlight. But if you fill it in black, you could add a highlight later with a colored pencil or do different highlights, but that's a simple way to do it. And then a big smile with a fang going all the way to the eye. And I put 2 little dots of the nostrils, and it's like the letter M over the top. So on this one, I'm putting a wing, and I'm putting that curve line up into the body, not just into the top line, and I'm making that line a little bolder. And then this is kind of like you're making like a bat wing, and I'm hiding that line at the back and going up with the next line, so it kind of hides that one, but of course if you do it in pencil you can do other things. And a little curve to show the underside of the belly. Again, I'm going to do the same thing where I kind of hide the marker line, but I overlapped this horn and then I gave it stripes so that the line of his head kind of blended into it. So we have our 2 horns. And lastly, I'm just going to add some little cracking on the shell. I didn't add the cracks on the first one. I'm trying to just show some different variations so that you can make your own combinations and use this as a springboard, really run with it. So like here, I'm just giving another option of a way to decorate the shell, as I'm trying to give the basic part and then you use it as a springboard to create your own dragon hatching with your own customization and color. So this one I'm just giving a little shadow and a couple little pieces of broken shell. If this helped or inspired you, remember to like and subscribe to see more videos.